Hi, this is Mr. Nazarian. Today our learning objective: I can graph ordered pairs of numbers on a coordinate plane using what I have learned about the x-axis and coordinate and the y-axis and coordinate. 5th grade standard, geometry 1. Okay, so first of all, what is a coordinate plane? This is a coordinate plane, so anytime that you get graph paper, grid paper, this is a coordinate plane. And it's a really handy way to find specific locations and to use in maps. So what we are going to be learning today is when we see an ordered pair somewhere that tells us this place is located here, being able to use that as directions to find where it is on this coordinate plane. So well, first I'm going to start off with the ordered pair. So an ordered pair, this gives us information. It says, okay, this, whatever, the pizzeria is located at 3, 6. And we need to know what that means and what it's telling us to do. What are these directions telling us? So the first thing that we need to know is we need to know that there's lines that go horizontally and lines that go vertically, right? And so this very special line, this one here in green, that's at the bottom of this coordinate plane, which is at the, if you look at these ones, 10, 90, 7, all the way down to, this is, you can guess, this is 0. So the one on the very bottom here at 0 that goes horizontally, that goes side to side, is the, has a special name, it's the x-axis. Cool name for an axis. And then we have this other axis, whoops, sorry about that, this other axis that goes up and down, that's right at the, and again, if you look at these lines here, 10, 90, 1, and 0, that's 0, but it's going up and down. This red one here has a different name. It is the y-axis. Okay, so when you look at an ordered pair like this, it will always have the number that represents the x first, and then the y. So it's always x, then y. Just like in the alphabet, x comes before y, right? So we've got our x, whoops, we've got our x here, and we've got our y here. So we have an x, and then we have a y. And it's always going to be in that order. That it'll never be mixed up. And how do I know which one? Always x is before y, just like an alphabet. So what does this mean? 3, 6. So 3 is an x, and y is, or sorry, 3 is an x, and 6 is a y. So what that means is, remember, x is going on this axis here, the sideways one. So it means we're going to go over to the right 3. Okay, so it means I'm not going to go up because that's going up the y-axis. I'm going to go on the x first. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and that takes me to the 3 of the x, right? And then the next number, 6, tells us how many we're going to go, in this case up, because it's a positive number, so we're going to go up 6. So remember, up here, this is the y-axis. So we're already over here on the 3 to the right. Now we're going to go up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me make this a pen real quick here. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this spot right here is 3, 6. And another way, so you can always remember x comes before y, right? You're always going to go over on the x-axis before you go up the y. Another way that little thing that I've always remembered to help me remember this is you walk before you fly. Okay, so you stay on the ground here and then you start going up. So let's look at another one here. All right, so this next one is 7, 2, which remember, we're going to do that. The first number represents the x, how far over to the right. If it's negative, it's left, but we're just going to deal with positive numbers today. So we're going to go to the right 7 because remember, x is first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to go up how many? 2. 1, 2. That's going to take us right here. Okay. And next one is 8, 4, which means we're going to go over to the right first, right? Remember? Always do an x first. X comes before y in the alphabet. So we're going to go over 8, right? We're going to go to the right 8, and we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, because the second number is 4, which represents the y-axis, how far we are going up. Okay. And the last one is 4, 8. Looks pretty similar, right? 8, 4, 4, 8. So would this be different, or would this be the same? Okay, so let's look at it. So remember, the first number in this ordered pair represents the x-axis. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. And the second number here, 8, whoops, represents the y-axis. So we're already here at 4. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to be over there. So you can see it's quite a different location than 8, 4 that was over here. And this is 4, 8. Because of the order of those ordered pairs, right? The order of the numbers. Remember, the first number always represents the x-axis, how far to the right or left, and the second number always represents the y-axis, how far up or down. Okay, and so I hope that helped today understand how to read ordered pairs and to graph them onto a coordinate plane. All right, see you tomorrow.